How to check for dead pixels on your Android. Here's a simple method to check dead pixels. Let's get started. First, open your web browser. Now search for dead pixel test or solid color screen test. I have already downloaded the picture, and I will show you from my downloaded pictures. Make sure you choose colors that displays full screen solid colors, like white, black, red, green, and blue. Switch the page to full screen mode, so the entire display is covered by a single color. Carefully inspect your screen while changing between each color. If you notice a tiny black dot that never changes, it could be a dead pixel. If you see a small dot with the wrong color, it may be a stuck subpixel. Repeat the test with all the available colors to make sure every part of your display is working properly. And that's it. You've successfully checked your Android for dead pixels. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Android how-to tutorials.